No, I pulled over. I just didn't feel safe to get out of my vehicle.
Well, no, that's not what the police...
We're in Judge Boyd's courtroom today, and things get messy real fast. A woman refused to talk to the cops because she said she didn't feel safe, but instead of staying calm, she hit the gas and drove off. Like, what? That's not self-protection, that's self-destruction. By the time police broke her car window, any sympathy she could have had was gone. I get being nervous during a stop, but this wasn't fear, this was pure ego. And Judge Boyd. She's not here for the drama. Some people just have to learn the hard way. What do you guys think? Was she scared or just being reckless? Let's watch.
Here on Mia Ray Herrera.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Good morning. All right. All right. The court is calling 2025 CR 003690 State versus Mia Ray Herrera. Could I have parties announced?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
John Sandheimer for Ms. Herrera.
All right. And probation, this is an application. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Herrera, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do so waive it.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Herrera, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Herrera, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be a TAP evaluation, follow whatever recommendations, MRT and defensive driving. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There has not, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community service be for your community supervision be for a term of 2 years, and there be 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No objections, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
She's facing a charge for running from the cops, and that's serious. 2 to 10 years serious. The moment you speed off instead of pulling over, you stop being scared and start gambling with your freedom. She looks calm now, like she didn't just turn a traffic stop into a police chase. Fear doesn't make you drive 80 and blow red lights, that's pride behind the wheel. Judge Boyd reads the police report. The officer pulled her over, smelled weed, asked her to step out, and she locked the doors and drove off. When she finally stopped, she still refused to get out until the officer broke her window. And she has the nerve to say, "I pulled over." Girl, no. The judge tries to give her a chance, asking why she ran, if she was high, drunk, or just panicking. She says she didn't feel safe, admits it was a bad decision, and says she's learned her lesson. Then Judge Boyd orders 2 years of probation, random drug tests, and community service. No driving until she gets her license and insurance sorted. When the judge asks what she wants to do with her life, she says, "I want to be a flight attendant." Judge Boyd actually gives her a deal. If she becomes one, her 100 community service hours will be waived. But then the woman asks if this case will hurt her career chances. Judge Boyd tells her she'll have to talk to her lawyer about clearing her record later. Everything wraps up smoothly, but you can tell the judge is over it. She handled it like a pro, calm, firm, and no nonsense, and honestly, watching her say she just didn't feel safe while knowing they had to break her window, that's wild. I get fear, but this wasn't fear. This was someone who couldn't handle being wrong. Judge Boyd was spot on. And if this woman ever does become a flight attendant, let's hope she doesn't feel unsafe midair and try to open the emergency door. So what do you think? Was she really scared, or just refusing to take responsibility?